another note about SVG transforms, this time again about rotate. Similarly to the other transforms, rotate also affects the whole coordinate system and is set in degrees. The coordinate system is default rotated around the origin 0, 0, and there's a additional set if you change the XY around. I don't tend to set the XY position. If I rotate, I usually will set the translate first and then set the rotate, just so that I don't kind of get this, like, it gets really confusing for me at least if I move the rectangle within the coordinate system and then it like no longer goes where I expect it to. So I tend to chain translate together with rotate instead of trying to move around the XY. And on that note, I also want to give a small warning that just like before, in the order in which you chain rotate, where the coordinate system ends up. And depending on, let's see, the rotation, it really changes. You can't, there we go. So that's where the second one is now. Yeah. Personally, I find it kind of cool and interesting. But I guess I just find these kinds of things cool and interesting. But again, the good rule of thumb that I use is I translate first and then I rotate after, so that like the moving has already happened before I like confuse myself with rotating the coordinate system. So yes, just translate first and usually things will work out.